Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to make a 12 column grid in Photoshop. Okay, first of all, open your Photoshop, then create a new page, click View, Show, select Grid. Okay, go to Edit tab, Preference, see this grids and Slice. Click here and now select INCI Cinematics Pixels as you wish. I use INCI and select your column number, type 20. I already use this. Then line style dash line dots color black. Click OK. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.